Two ways to control property without a deposit in 2026. Either below market value purchase or a lease option, no deposit, possibly exchange and delayed completion as part of the formula presentation about sophisticated property investment. The deposit myth. If you want to take out a purchase lease option, your deposit can be as little as £1. If you're going to buy below market value, probably you'll have to find cash, but you can offer up to 70% of the market value of the property. So you save money and you make yourself instant solutions to vendors' unique problems, because that's what we are as problem solvers. Strategy 1 is below market value purchase. So what you're going to do is establish the value of a property and then pay up to 70% of it. So you may pay less if the requirement is particularly urgent, or you may pay slightly more, but no more than 70% of the value of the property. Why below market value deals exist is because vendors have problems with their properties, and depending on the level of pain that they're in, relates to how quickly they want to get out of that pain and sell the property or dispose of it. Strategy 2 is the purchase lease option. This can enable you to control a property immediately within weeks without any major deposit. To do is do the deal with the vendor so that they're happy with what you provide as the solution to take the pain away for them. Purchase lease options can enable you to control a property very quickly, and you can have it so that the purchase is actually any time up to 15 years in the future. Nobody's talking about is beyond discount buying, about market value deals. The myth of needing lots of money to buy a property is being dispelled. The equity snowball. So if you combine buying below market value and purchase lease options for compounding equity, positive cash flow, funds, marketing and deal sourcing, creative deals accelerate equity growth. Time is your single biggest asset in this cycle. Legal framework matters. The heads of terms and the option agreement are required to be prepared by a solicitor experienced in creative finance and experienced in purchase lease options and BMV deals. It's not good enough to just handshake on a deal. You can prepare the heads of terms by hand with the vendor, but then these need to be converted into legal documents. Closing, message and contacts. Book a call with me, that's Alan at Alpus Group, and we'll have a look at your problem and decide if we can help you to solve. Call me on calendly.com/AlanJE or directly on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. An email at alan@alpusgroup.com. So in summary, we're talking about equity, instant equity and flexible control, below market value deals, creative deals, contractual control with the minimum capital, and you're talking about vendor finance in some instances, and combination of below market value purchase lease options to combine for the equity snowball. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video below.